You know, this time of year, we rarely have to worry about hurricanes, but they are out there.
It is interesting how we just keep getting more company out there in the Atlantic.
Sandy and Tony are
company
here.
We don't want.
Right,
This is like a bad holiday plan or something. No, this time of year, it's not uncommon for hurricanes or tropical storms to form in the Caribbean and then head pretty much northward. That's what we've got going with two separate storms, but one's close to us. That's why we're paying attention to it. First of all, look to the right side of your screen. See where you see the time zipping by there? That little cluster of clouds is now Tropical Storm Tony. What was TD19, and he's headed that way, and not a problem at all. This may be a problem, and this is Tropical Storm Sandy. Sandy's center of circulation right about here, now tracking northward or northeastward toward the eastern portion of Jamaica, expected to become a hurricane first thing in the morning. Now 60-mile-an-hour winds, the north-northeast motion at 10, less than 200 miles south of Kingston, Jamaica. Let's put the track in play. Here you go, passing Jamaica, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. It's still a Category 1 after it's crossed the island, and crossing eastern Cuba into the Bahamas now as a tropical storm. This is Thursday evening. Here's Friday evening, and here's the turn we're all expecting. As it heads off to the north and east, it becomes an extratropical or remnant low and heads into the North Atlantic. It's still got a lot of energy, but it will no longer be a tropical entity. That's our biggest concern. And the other concern is we're going to get a wraparound of winds and some showers all the way into the Savannah area. Beach erosion, for example, may be our biggest problem. It all depends on how quickly this high moves out of the way, see Sandy approaching, and how quickly this trough of low pressure, this cold front, can move into play and push Sandy away. That pushing will occur. The timing determines what kind of problems we may or may not have. Already, Futuremax is showing quite a bit of rainfall. This is Friday morning, 11 o'clock, and those clouds and some of those rain bands are reaching back into the state of Florida. One more thing to show you. Our precipitable water, remember the purple, the blue, that's the real dry air. The coral gives real moist air. It always turns brown. There's the center of circulation of Sandy. This is Thursday evening at 8 o'clock. So we've got a really big rainmaker that's headed our way. High tide 4:15, low tide 10:45 in the morning. Our sunrise at 7:35. Make sure you got your Foster Grants. It's going to be bright in the morning. Some patchy fog though. 59 degrees, east-northeasterly breeze will continue to diminish. 82 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. More partly cloudy Thursday, 82. I think will be all clouds on Friday, 81. After Sandy goes by, and here are the effects of Sandy through Friday, Saturday, things will cool off again and be dry again. More great autumn weather is on the way. But watching Sandy, currently a tropical storm, expected to become a hurricane, that's our biggest concern. You can see some fun weekend activities going on. Don't change any plans. Just be ready for a windy period, particularly Friday into Saturday. I don't think we're going to get surprised by Sandy at this point, but we'll keep watching. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.
Well, it's